Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of AWS Cloud Mastery course. And in this particular session, we are starting a very important and interesting topic, which is storage classes, or we can say simple storage services, and it is known as S3. Okay, so S3 is kind of a backbone of AWS when it's come to storing the data. Okay, so in this particular session we are going to learn like what exactly S3 is and how we can use S3 and what exactly the purpose of S3. Okay, so now let's start the session. So in this particular session we are going to learn about the introduction to Amazon S3 and basic concept and its features. So now the question is, what is S3? Okay, so S3 basically stands for simple storage service. So when it's come to the storage related thing, means it is something, it is a kind of a service where we can store something, means we can actually save something into this particular service. So storage is something like where you can actually, like your Google Drive or something like that. So it is having somewhat related to that, but like this S3 is having totally different features and having a very high kind of reputation in the market, because everyone just loves using Amazon S3. Okay, so as you can see on your screen, Amazon simple storage service, which is S3, is an object storage service that offers industry leading scalability and data availability, security and performance. Okay, so it is saying like it is an object storage service. Okay, means whatever we are going to store in this particular S3, everything is going to be treated as object. Okay, scalability is very good. Like if we are using S3, we can scale up and scale down as per our requirement. We are having very good data availability, means you can just put anything, you can just upload anything to your S3, and you can just get this particular file. Let's suppose, let's just take one example. Let's suppose you are having your CV and you are just creating one object, like you are just creating one bucket. Inside that you are just uploading your file. So you'll be having one, I can say, URL. So with that particular URL you can access your CV from anywhere in the world. So we can say data availability is very high, so security is also very high, and the performance. And as you can see, this is the I can say icon or a logo of S3, and this is Amazon S3, and this S3 with the objects. Okay, so now let me tell you the concept, like what exactly we are doing over here. First of all, we are going to open S3. Inside this S3 we are going to create one bucket kind of a container. Okay, and inside that bucket we are going to put our objects. Object means our file. So basically S3 is an object storage. So whatever we are going to put or upload into the bucket, everything will be treated as object. Okay, and by the URL of that object we can access that particular thing from anywhere in the world. So now we are having key characteristics. So first, object storage, and it is very much important when it's come to your placement, when it's come to your certification exam. Wherever you will be going, you will be getting this thing like which service offer object storage. So the answer will always be your Amazon S3. Okay, AWS S3 specifically. So apart from that, scalability and durability, so I have already told you about. And then accessibility, means you can just access your data from like AWS management console or from AWS CLI, or by using different SDKs as well. So this is how you can actually understand about the what I can say S3 and its key characteristics. So now the basic concepts in Amazon S3. So I have already told you we are having bucket, we are having objects, keys and region. Okay, so now let me tell you each and everything one by one. So inside the Amazon we are having bucket. Inside the bucket we are going to store the object. Okay, we are going to put the object, and we'll be having different keys. By with the help of that we can access those what I can say objects. Okay, and then we are having region, means in what particular region our storage is defined, or we can say in what particular I can say region we are creating, or I can say storing our objects. Okay, so these are the basic concept of Amazon S3. So I hope you guys have understood each and everything about the S3, and in the upcoming session we are going to learn about practical implementation of S3, and we'll be understanding like how we can upload our data into S3, like how we can create buckets, and how we can upload the data, and how we can actually make the data available for the entire world. So now let's meet in the next session. Till then, just take care of yourself. Thank you so much.